If you want an airport transfer in Nha Trang, then you have two options. The fastest transport is by taxi. One of the best taxi companies is Vinasun. It is always better to agree on a fixed price before getting into the taxi, because the taximeter is usually more expensive. The price for a transfer to the airport is around 300 to 400,000 dong. Getting into the city is a bit cheaper and available for 200 to 300,000 dong. The ride takes about 45 minutes. The cheapest transport is by bus or minibus, and a ticket costs 50,000 dong, but the journey will take a bit longer. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.